Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying ports and cables so you know what to plug where. Connect power and the correct video cable to each monitor. Adapters must seat fully. Once done, boot with your primary display and then attach the second to avoid detection issues. This prevents driver confusion. Make sure Windows or Mac OS recognizes a signal before proceeding. If the system does not show a picture on the second screen, swap cables or try the adapter on the primary to isolate the fault. Now you adjust software so the OS knows how to use both screens. Open display settings and detect displays, then choose extend versus duplicate depending on your workflow. Arrange the virtual screens to mirror your physical placement so the mouse travels naturally. Set each monitor's resolution and scaling for sharp text and correct size. Once you apply changes, test by dragging a window between screens. If windows snap oddly, tweak orientation and scaling until motion feels seamless, and finish by ensuring stability and addressing common failures. Update your graphics drivers and restart, because new drivers often resolve detection and scaling bugs. If a display stays blank, test other cables or ports and swap monitors to find whether the cable, port, or monitor is faulty. Once you confirm hardware, reset display settings or perform a clean GPU driver reinstall to clear corrupted configs. If problems persist, power cycle monitors and the PC. This simple reset often restores proper edited communication between devices.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.